In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the date format in Microsoft Outlook by tweaking the language and time settings. This process is incredibly simple and can greatly enhance how you interact with your emails and calendar events by tailoring it to your preferred format. First, open up your Microsoft Outlook. This is where we will start our journey today. Make sure it's fully loaded so you have access to all the menu options that we will be discussing. Now, once you have your Outlook ready and open, your next stop is going to be the Settings option. You'll find this conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen, usually represented by a small gear icon. Simply click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. Within this drop-down, you want to navigate to the General settings. From this point, you'll be heading into the Language and Time section. Here, you have the opportunity to modify various settings to better accommodate your needs. Today, our focus is on adjusting how the date is displayed. Whether you prefer the month, day, year format that is commonly used in the US, or the day, month, year format, which is standard in many other places around the world, you can make those changes right here. Now take a moment here to decide which format truly suits your daily activities and the region or work requirements you adhere to. Once you have made your selections, make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. It's important to note that these changes will immediately take effect, so you might want to check a recent email or calendar appointment to see the new format in action. Should you wish to explore further customizations, you can return to the language and time settings at any time to make additional adjustments. Experiment with these options to fully optimize your Outlook experience. In summary, altering the date format in Outlook is a straightforward task that requires just a few clicks within the settings menu. Remember, having your dates displayed in a familiar format can reduce the chances of misinterpretation and enhance your productivity by minimizing confusion, especially when scheduling meetings or following up on tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now feel more confident navigating Outlook settings to better tailor it to your preferences. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more helpful tips and tricks in the future.